कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
La pelongi ka Splash Awareness Leprosy Campaign kum kada ka jing rakhe ya ka lingkhu singiap chong Mahatma Gandhi but ka daw bala pelong ya ka campaign kalong ban ai Jingpynshai shi Paidbah ba kim dei ban tieng la ni kim dei ban keren ben ya ki bre ki badan ya ka Jingpang Niangthohlieh la Jingpynshai Paidbah bala don kinu ki bayo ya ka ni ka Jingpang kim dei ban kuslai handai ki ban lech ki jaka sumar ki badan ha keleng ki jela bat kin yo ya ka jing sumar yakni ka program la pelong da ka District Leprosy Society East Khasi Hills haringkat ka chinga trelang bat ka NHM.
First leprosy awareness campaign is celebrated to remember the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and to support those who are affected with leprosy. Also, we on this day, including till the fortnight, we raise awareness regarding leprosy and how it is caused, what are the signs and symptoms of leprosy. So those who are having leprosy or suspect themselves to be having leprosy, even the family members are requested that they go to the nearest health center and get themselves treated, because the medicines, including all the support care, are free of cost and they don't have to spend a single penny for it. Also, I would like to request all the community members, all the public, to not discriminate those people who are having leprosy and support them with full heart. Thank you.